All right. For our helpful hints DGP Monday, welcome. Our sentence this week is did your friend win the reading contest? So, what we're looking for are nouns. So go through, see which nouns you have, then decide if they're common, not specific, proper, specific, or possessive showing ownership. Then go through and identify your pronouns. Pronouns take the place of a noun and decide what type they are. Are they subjective, objective, or possessive? And then what person they are written in. So is it first person, second person, or third person? Then find your verb. Is it action, helping, linking? And then tell me the tense. Is it past, present, or future? Adverbs describe the verb. Adjectives describe our nouns. Articles are the little filler words like and, or the. Prepositions tell position, location, or time. So if it fits in the sentence, the squirrel ran blank the tree, then that is your preposition 99% of the time. And then a conjunction, tell me if it's coordinating, subordinating, or correlative, which we haven't got to correlative, so those ones are not in there. We also have not gotten to interjections yet, so do not worry about those, okay? All right, good luck. Also, P.S. Do not Google. If you Google and you write determiner, that's not one of our choices. Okay, so you need to figure it out on your own and do the best you can. If you need resources or you don't understand something, then you can Google. So say you don't understand adverbs, you can go and you can Google adverbs. Or you can go to the resource tabs on my homepage and you can look at the DGP Daily Grammar Practice note sheet for you to look at. And then that can also help you understand the different types of parts of speech. However, all these should be review for you from your previous years of being in school. All right, good luck.